Today is Tuesday, April 26th. Happy Pretzel Day. I'm going to take a look at the home building sector today, just because there's been a lot of news. Yesterday we get some news that new home sales slip for March. Today we're getting a report, Case-Shiller report, saying home prices rose, although that was for February, so I think that's going to be old news. And the charts, I think, are discounting that already. Take a look here at the ITB Home Building ETF. This is a weekly chart, and forget the averages for now. What I want to show here is that very tight range week for last week. Actually, let's put it in candle format. And now it becomes a harami pattern on the weekly chart with somewhat of a confirmation yesterday with a decline. So we'll see what happens today. There was news today, so who knows how the market's going to react, although I think it's old news from it's just February news. Anyway, back to bar charts. And I'm going to put this in the daily format. So the daily chart shows a slight reversal, but I don't think that's that significant. You could see that a couple days ago. But what's more important is that this rising trend seems to be in jeopardy. Let's put a line on that. You know, exactly where do you put the line? Here, here, here. I'm not going to get too precise with it or too worried about exactly where it goes, but it does appear that this trend is in danger. And actually we could probably get a line over here. And see, it's not quite broken yet, but it looks like it's in danger. And just to check, we can put a study on that. Doesn't matter. There's something in momentum. RSI is good. And you can see it's kind of fading. So I think home builders are a little bit of trouble. I know the bid is higher this morning as the market opens. But just a little problems, I think, going on. Let's take a look at some other stocks in the group. Here's Lennar. You can see the trend kind of petered out there at the 200-day average, and RSI clearly heading lower. Toll Brothers, same sort of thing, only at a lower level. Didn't even reach a 200-day average, and now the 50-day is in trouble. And here's, what is this, D.R. Horton? This is one of the better stocks in the group. You can see it made it all the way back to its 2015 highs. But see what happened as it got close. Again, in candle format. That is an inverted hammer candle. It's kind of bearish with the confirmation. Back to bar. So here's one of the stronger stocks in the group, just having some issues. It hasn't broken down yet, I don't think, but it seems to be slowing down and showing signs of wear and tear. What's really more interesting to me is the accessories group, home furnishings group. Here's Whirlpool, bad earnings just announced. Look at that gap down, that is huge. Tempur-Pedics, I think they merged with another stock, can't think of a name right now. It's a mattress maker. And look at that, that is a triangle pattern. You have a triangle pattern breakdown through the 50-day average. It's a pretty big move yesterday, or 2 days ago, 2 trading days ago. So that's bad news for one of the bigger stocks in the group, in the home furnishings group. There's another one, Lazy Boy. Make those big chairs. Again, it doesn't look so great. It looks like it's fading, possibly rolling over. RSI here heading lower. So I think overall, you look at home building stocks, you look at home furnishing stocks, and the charts don't look that encouraging. You know, again, a little bit of news this morning, pushing the ETF up slightly, but you couple that with the news a couple days ago or yesterday, and I think that the picture has turned. Just looking strictly at the charts, I think the trends are tired and worn and ready to roll over. So just be a little wary with this group, and it is one of my key 4 sectors. Oops, it is one of my key sectors. So for me, it's just a market warning at this time.